Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of activating your neighbor storage rental account so you can start renting out your garage today. Follow these simple steps to get your account up and running in no time. Step 1. Visit the neighbor website. Begin by navigating to the neighbor website at www.neighbor.com. This user-friendly platform is designed specifically to help you rent out storage space, including garages. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click this option to begin the registration process. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Step 3. Verify your email. After signing up, check your email inbox for a verification message from Neighbor. Click the verification link in that email to confirm your account. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. Step 4. Complete your profile. After your garage is listed, monitor your account for inquiries from interested renters. Use the Neighbor platform to communicate, schedule viewings, and handle payments securely. Following these steps will allow you to activate your Neighbor storage rental account and start earning extra income by renting out your garage. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for joining us, and happy renting. Once your email is verified, log into your account. You'll be prompted to complete your profile by filling in additional details such as your address, phone number, and preferred payment information. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid issues later. Step 5. List your garage space. Now comes the fun part. Start listing your garage for rent. Click on the List Your Space button and fill out the necessary information, including the size of your garage, availability, and the rental price. Include clear photos and a detailed description to attract potential renters. Step 6. Review and publish. Before you finalize your listing, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your listing live. Congratulations, your garage is now available for potential renters. Step 7. Manage your listings.